Channel. Today we are doing another police chase, so let's get into it. So we can only do 50 along here. Ooh, criminal. Let's go. There's a criminal. We have a speeding Renault 5 Turbo. It's going along this windy road. Has a big tight corner down the bottom. He's off-roading, I repeat, he's off-road. Crash, I repeat, crash. He's off-road, I repeat, I'm jumping around everywhere, He's near road to stopping, I repeat, he's near road to stopping. It's crash. He went through a stone wall. He's just crashed through a stone wall, he's still got road stopping. I repeat, he's still got road stopping. Oh no. I just crashed. Right on the criminal. Criminal is damaged, The criminal's made contact, I repeat, he has made contact. It's crash, I've crashed. I repeat, the interceptor is down. Oh, let's go again, go. The criminal is doing over 100 mile an hour, I repeat, he's doing over 100 mile an hour. We're in the middle of the tree. Criminals made contact. I repeat, it's a stop. This is not a normal police chase as well. Police chases usually take place on the road. It's a crash, I repeat, I've crashed. The interceptor is slowed down. We are going for the criminal, It's crash. I repeat, I'm stuck on the rock. Oh, I'm free. I repeat, I'm following the suspect. I am with the criminal. I repeat, I'm with the criminal. Hot on the criminal's heels. Crash. Can't see through the trees. I've just crashed. Suspect is damaged. Suspect is messing with the cops, The cops are not messing with him. We have a big team. Seems like we have a big team. 3 BMW M4 GTSs and a big Jeep. It started off as just 2 BMW M4 GTSs. changed quite quickly. I think the criminal's been boxed in, the criminal's been boxed in. The criminal's boxed in, the criminal's boxed in. So what a way to end a police chase. Boxed in the criminal. So well, this is the end of Police Chase 2. I'll see you next time on Jimmy Alex Gaming. Oi! Oi! Don't let the criminal get away. This is not the end of Police Chase 2. This is not the end of Police Chase 2. I repeat, it's not the end. The criminal decided. The criminal managed to get out and he's messing. No. We are one cop down, I think we are one cop down. Police car has crashed, I repeat, police car has crashed. We are one cop down, I repeat, we are one cop down. I'm with the suspect, I'm with the suspect. Block him in, block him in, block him in, block him in. Proper good block. Go behind him, go behind him, go behind him, go behind him, go behind him. Ollie!